Hello everybody, welcome to Nature Calls. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how much does it cost to get the windshield on your Tesla replaced. More importantly, your Tesla Model 3, because I do not really have set pricing for the other Tesla vehicles, but hopefully this could give you an idea on kind of what to expect if you need your windshield replaced on your Y or maybe your S or X. But this is going to be the relevant pricing for a Model 3, at least in the East Coast, in the beginning of 2021. So it may change in the future. Maybe Tesla comes out with more affordable glass or whatever, prices change. My guess would be if it gets slowly more expensive over time just due to inflation and things like that. But I'm going to share with you today what the prices are. I have them on my phone. Now this is going to be pricing for a full replacement, and let's go and break it down into some things, and I'm just going to read them off. I would show you the screen, but there's a lot of things I'd have to blank out. You know, I share a lot with these videos. I'm not trying to share everything. The unit price for a Model 3 windshield assembly is $495. The Chemical Beta Prime 10 mLs is $6. And the Dow Beta Seal Express quantity of 2 is $15, or 2 of them for $30. So that means the total parts to fix your windshield. So the first one, the $495, was the windshield, and then the other two, the $6 and the $30 one, were basically like removal and like sealing it back on, the sealants and stuff. I don't know all the technical things. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm assuming that the latter two that are cheaper are just the materials needed to seal that windshield back onto your car. So in total, the parts cost $531. Okay, not too bad, but not exactly fantastic. So what else costs a lot? Labor. Yes, people doing this. The machine is not going to just go and magically do it for you. Another human being has to go and remove your windshield. And from what I could notice, at least the first time, and I'm not a Tesla tech or anything, and these things could change, but I'm pretty sure to get down into this, I'm pretty sure they remove your hood. That's what at least it looked like the first time I got my windshield replaced. It was under warranty. I have not paid any of these prices. It just so happened I got a quote of what it would cost, so I wanted to share it with everybody. But I'm pretty sure they end up taking off your hood and your windshield wipers. I don't know if there's anything else they take off, but I'm pretty sure those 3 items have to go. I could be wrong, but that's what at least I think I've noticed. And that's going to give you a grand total of $921. But, you know, good old Uncle Sam, the federal government, or maybe the state government for that fact, they need their money. Actually, no, the state government needs its money. So there's $61.02 of tax here in New Jersey on that $921, leading you to $982.02 to replace your windshield on your Model 3. Whew. And that is quite a price. Now, the crack up is, the kind of hilarious part is, I have a friend that's over in California, and he actually got his windshield chipped. He was driving down the highway, and a truck decided to dump some rocks, and it put a big old chip into his windshield, and actually that chip ended up cracking. Well, that's not a Tesla issue. Like, it's an accident in a sense. You know, that truck dumped rocks out. You know, he happened to be, you know, at the wrong place at the wrong time, regardless if he was too close or whatever. Anyway, he had to pay to get his windshield replaced. Well, he also has Tesla insurance, and Tesla insurance has a deductible of, any guesses? Tesla insurance's deductible is $1,000. And how much does a windshield cost? Just under $1,000. So he did not get his windshield replaced for free. He had to pay his deductible first, which was almost $1,000. So just a food for thought for anybody out there that has Tesla insurance. Not saying their insurance is bad, but there's a perspective for you. Your $1,000 deductible is going to basically be at the cost of a windshield. So with that, hopefully you found this video interesting. I was really happy to share this with you. I already shared one about this cost of door seals on the Model Y. I'll let you know if I get any more pricing. I prefer not to find out how much things cost. I like my vehicle functioning perfectly fine, but these things do happen. So let me know in the comment section down below if you found this video helpful. I'll try to do more. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with people, especially friends that have, Teslas. You're bound to get a rock chip at some point. Maybe you should let them know, hey, better keep $1,000 aside to go and fix your windshield, at least on a Model 3. It could be more for the S and the X. I'm assuming the Y is probably pretty close, if not the same price, but who knows? I'm not Tesla. So thank you again, and as always, have an excellent day.